Fine. Your print screen is not working. Let's see how to fix it. There are three methods you can able to fix the print screen issues. First, make sure your print screen is working by pressing Windows Shift S. So snap tool is display. Here you can able to catch the print screen. Make sure it is to print. Just go to your MS Paint and make a paste, and here you can able to see the print screen is working. And the second method, by pressing print screen key. If your print screen key is not working, you have to do that third method. Okay, let's see how to do that one. Just go to, I close it here, go to start. In start, go to settings. In settings, find print screen here. This is the option. Just check it whether the option is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, means that key will not work. I disabled the screen. Now the screen print screen will not work. So make it sure by pressing this option, and once again go to your keyboard and press print screen. You can able to make a, and just grab and make it sure it is working. Okay, now it's working fine. If you have any doubt, comment below. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.